Hi, so today I'm gonna tell you how to use MemoNeet app properly so that you can easily secure your government MBBS seat. Okay, so once you log in and you come, then you see our home screen like this interface as it's visible now. After that, you click here and then toppers essential, then PYQ marked NCERT, and here comes your first step, that is called reading. So first step you'll have to read. For example, I want to read this chapter, so I clicked here, and now if I slide down, you can see here the lines highlighted in red color. Why this? Because it is the line from which the questions has been asked ever in the previous year. Now if I click on this, I can also see the question that was being framed from the line in the previous year. Okay, so it means while reading here, you will be easily able to understand which line is important from which the questions has been framed. Now, how questions are framed from the lines of NCERT. That is the reason why I told you to read it from here instead of your physical book. Okay, this is the step number one. Now comes to your step number 2. For that you click here, then essential set, then living word, and then notes. So now you have just read the NCERT, so it's time to revise the important things very quickly so that you can recall all the important things. For that you see here in the notes section already it is NCERT based notes, and here all the important things are already highlighted. Okay, so this is the step number 2. Now step number 3 is subject section. So here, since you have now read NCERT, you have now revised the important things. So now it's time to see the trend of the questions from the NTA side, how recently questions were framed for that particular chapter. So for that you need to solve the NTA PYQ. So you can do this in two way. You can click here, right? You will see here previous year question. You can solve from here, or another way that is directly to solve only NTA PYQ. It is here NTA PYQ. You can solve it from here also. Okay, this is the two way, but yeah, its aim is what? Step number 3, to understand the trend of the questions that was being asked from NTA in the recently, so that you will be easily able to understand the type of question how NTA is framing nowadays. Now after doing this, step number 4 is to master the complete chapter. So for that, here you see already questions are framed from each line of NCERT as per exact NCERT topic. Here it is arranged. Okay, so now you come here and you solve the questions. Whenever you will solve a single question, you will be easily able to understand that how clearly questions are framed from the lines of NCERT, and how it's easy to recall each line of NCERT from here. Once you practice the question from here, any single question, it after 24 hours it is going to appear in the neuron jet section. It is called our what, revision section. I will tell you here in the next video that how app will make you revise in such a way that whatever question you are going to practice it from here, you are not going to forget in your exam day 100%. So for that, wait for the next video.